Check this out, 1999 Honda Civic EX automatic, 171,000 original miles, totally rust-free, one owner, non-smoker. This car is ready to go, needs nothing. Look up around the fenders here, no rust. Underneath, no rust. Under the doors, no rust. Check this out. Look at the shock towers. Bet you can tell it's had shocks replaced recently. This car is ready to go. Nice little sunroof. Comes with an extended service contract warranty, good anywhere in the country. $39.95. We take all forms of payments and or trades. It's a lot of car for the money. 28 and 35 MPG. Still has the original owner's manual, and the Carfax shows that it's been serviced on a regular basis. 58 service records, oil changes, all that stuff. Very well cared for. Check this out. Come see it at Tempest Motors. Take it for a drive. Let your mechanic take it for a drive. This won't last long. Thank you for looking.